Hello everybody, today is January 10th, 2012. Thanks for joining me today on the Moneybag 73 channel. I have an important update for you today, and the subscribers to this channel know why it's an important update. But if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and click subscribe and you can get future updates similar to this one, as well as many other types of things that I cover. Today I wanted to tell you that imports into mainland China through Hong Kong were at 91 tons for November 2012. That's the second highest month of 2012. They've now imported 720 tons through Hong Kong into mainland China. They're on track for 800 tons, which is about 30% of world production going into China. There was a month in the end of summer, August, when imports were 54 tons, down from 70 something, 29% drop. And analysts were saying that China's not going to be the big gold consumer everyone's banking on, that the fad's over, or whatever the hell they were saying. No, China is going to continue to accumulate tons of gold because they know what's happening. They hold a large percentage, even though I think it's down to 6 or 7%, used to be over 10% of America's current debt. They know what's going on. They know that we're buying our own debt. They can see the writing on the wall as well as you and I can, why we want to hold real money. So that's why I think it's important to look and see what's going on. So I want to put this in perspective a little bit. Japan has 765 tons of gold in their reserves. And, that's the official number. So with China gold imports being on track for 800 in 2012, that would be more than all the reserves held by the Japanese central bank. And in 2010, China imported 245 tons through Hong Kong. So this 800 number is almost 3 times what was imported in 2010. And then they imported 390 something in 2011. And so it's almost double the 2011 number. So huge amounts of real physical gold heading into China in a world where who knows how high paper gold is leveraged. Could be 50 to 1, 100 to 1. Who really knows? Silver's probably worse. Could be 2, 3, 500 to 1 paper to physical. I mean, in the world that we're in, you need physical metal, and that's why it's important to look at who's getting the physical metal. So anyway, I wanted to also note that the official number for China is only 1,054 tons for their central bank's gold holdings. Now that came out in 2009, which at the time was a huge increase over the previous number that they had given us, which I think was in the 300 range. So my best guess is that we're somewhere between 3,000 and 4,000 tons. Almost half the U.S. official number. They're on record for saying that they wanted 10,000 tons, I believe it was, a couple of years ago. So they're doing it. They haven't come out with an official number.